Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best sealant tape waterproof available on the market, the Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape. If you've ever struggled with leaks, cracks, or gaps that let in air, water, or moisture, this product might just be your new best friend. This tape is designed to create a permanent, weather-resistant seal. It bonds instantly and is tough enough to hold up indoors, outdoors, and even underwater. That means whether you're fixing a leak in your roof, patching a pool liner, or repairing a tear in your RV, this tape has you covered. It's 4 inches wide and comes in a convenient 10-foot roll, offering a versatile size that works well for many different applications. One of the standout features is its specially formulated adhesive. This tape isn't your average duct tape. It's made with a thick, flexible adhesive layer that conforms perfectly to the surface you're repairing. The backing is crafted from heavy-duty low-density polyethylene, designed to resist moisture and harmful UV rays without yellowing over time. This ensures a long-lasting seal, no matter what the weather throws at it. The tape works on a wide range of materials including plastic, metal, aluminum, rubber, wood, vinyl, glass, steel, and even acrylic. It's incredibly adaptable, making it an excellent choice for homeowners, auto enthusiasts, campers, and boat owners alike. Plus, it can be applied in all sorts of conditions: hot, cold, wet, or dry, giving you flexibility when it comes to your repair needs. Using the Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape is straightforward. You start by cutting the tape slightly larger than the repair area. Then, peel off the liner and carefully apply the tape over the spot. One important tip: the tape can't be repositioned once applied, so make sure to get it right the first time. After applying, you want to rub the tape firmly to activate the adhesive and ensure a strong bond, especially around the edges. This tape can handle service temperatures ranging from -70 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for extreme environments. However, for best results, surfaces should be clean, smooth, and free from water underneath before application. It's also important to note that this tape is not designed for use on silicone or water-repellent materials, nor is it recommended for automotive engine compartments or pressure-sealed seams. Storage is simple. Just keep it at room temperature, and the edges might feel sticky, but that's normal given the strong adhesive used. In summary, Gorilla Waterproof Patch and Seal Tape is a reliable, permanent solution for sealing leaks and repairing holes in a wide variety of surfaces and environments. Its weather resistance, strong adhesive, and versatility make it a top contender when you need a waterproof patch that lasts. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. See you in the next video.